Hi, thank you for clicking on the link to the eShop. You've been brought through to Morgana showroom here in Milton Keynes, UK. What we're going to do for you is run our new DigiFold Pro XL, which is the 4th generation in our range of DigiFold machines. What we've done with the machine is set it up on a unique job, which is one of the key selling benefits of the machine, the capability to run longer sheets. So simply using the touchscreen operation, we will start the machine and allow it to run some of the steps. Okay, so the final result is actually a 12 by 12 6-panel sheet. What we've done with the sheet is actually create a perforation on one side, allowing this as a turn-off reply, something else. All done in one pass with a crease, perforation and fold. Okay, the maximum weight on the machine will be run with a 350-pound cover stock all the way down to a 20-pound bond. So this is a full range that will be allowed to do in one machine. The other key benefit on this machine over previous DigiFold range is the dual creasing function. This allows us to run the machine just like our auto creaser, the sister machine of the DigiFold, so it will actually crease the machine or perforate the sheets without going through the rollers, therefore avoiding any curl on the sheet. This also is beneficial for such work as covers for PUR bound work and bookwork. With our new top feeder system, this allows a dig pile capacity of 7.9 inches with a running speed of the machine of 6,000 sheets an hour. For more information on the DigiFold Pro XL, please follow the link below and one of our sales team will be happy to contact you.